Hey learners, welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Today we'll listen to a natural 5-minute English conversation between a boy and a girl, Alex and Lena.
Good morning, Alex. You're here early today.
Hey, Lena. Yeah, I woke up before my alarm for once. Guess I'm turning into a responsible adult?
Wow, that's rare. What happened? You usually come running in with your coffee half spilled.
Not today. I actually made breakfast, too.
Really? What did you make?
Just some scrambled eggs and toast. Nothing fancy, but I didn't burn anything, so that's a win.
Impressive. You're learning the art of adulting. Next step, laundry.
Oh, don't remind me. I still have a pile waiting at home.
Classic. Anyway, how's your week going?
Pretty good, actually. I started that new online course we talked about, the one on digital marketing.
Oh, nice. How's it going so far?
It's interesting, but there's a lot to learn. I didn't realize marketing had so much psychology in it.
Exactly. It's not just ads, it's about understanding people. I learned that when I took my communication class.
You're good at that, actually, talking to people. You could be a great marketer.
Thanks. Maybe one day. So, what about you? Any weekend plans?
I might go hiking with a few friends. You?
I'll probably stay home and binge a series. I just started The Hidden Truth. Have you seen it?
No. What's it about?
It's this mystery drama full of twists. You think you know what's happening, and then everything changes in one scene.
Sounds fun. Maybe I'll watch it after my course.
You should. We can talk about it next week.
Deal. Oh, by the way, did you finish your project for class?
Almost. I just need to edit the final part tonight.
Good luck with that. Don't stay up too late again.
I'll try. You know me. Coffee and deadlines are best friends.
Same here. Let's survive this week first.
Agreed. Okay, I should head out. My bus is in 5 minutes.
All right, see you tomorrow, Lena. Have a great day.
You too, Alex. And don't forget to do your laundry.
Ugh, you had to remind me.
Great job. You just listened to a full 5-minute natural conversation in English. Now try to repeat each line with me again for speaking practice. And remember, the more you listen and speak, the faster you'll sound fluent. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English Guide for more real English conversations every day.